up, everybody? Welcome back to another little video. Tonight we're going to be doing a little steam clean restoration on these 2006 Mitsubishi Evo 9 SE Recaro seats. One of my buddies grabbed these things for a pretty good price. So we're going to get them cleaned up a little bit. They're a little bit dirty from sitting in storage, and we're going to get cooking on these things to bring them back to life. So let's jump into it. I'll show you a little bit of what I'm using and the process. So first we'll get a little bit closer look at these things. They are freaking beautiful. Look at these. No tears, no burn holes. They have very minimal creasing, but it's to be expected. They're almost 20 years old. For anyone that doesn't know much about these are the SE seats out of a 2006 Evo 9 SE edition. So they have the red stitching right here. They're pretty much identical to regular Evo 9 black and suede and gray leather Recaros, but these just have the red stitching. So they're pretty rare. If you can find a set of them outside of somebody's car, they usually want pretty good money. But these just so happen to be definitely worth the money. So they were sitting in storage, I guess, and they collected a little bit of dust. So we're gonna jump over here and get these things cleaned up. We got some chemical guys, cleaners, leather conditioner, some soap, scrub brush. We're also gonna be using this nice little Wagner handheld steamer. This thing works incredible for lifting out stains and removing most heavy dirt. And then we're gonna use the extractor. Let's jump into these things and get these babies cleaned up. Now that the little pre-soak, pre-scrub is done, that's just like an introductory to kind of loosen up the dirt what we can with some hot water and some sprayable soap. We're gonna get a little bit crazier with it now. Look at this thing. Disgusting. Filth. Would you look at that? Wow. That's just from the first pass. So that's anything that the rag picked up. Now we're going to apply some soap directly to the affected areas that still look like they're dirty. Switch over to a clean rag and continue. All right, as you can see, shampooing is basically done. Let's go get a closer look at these. Holy grunges out. Seemed like the gray on the inside of the bolster is what was really affected, but it all came out. Just took some heavy scrubbing. Now that that's all set, we're gonna get the Wagner plugged in and give these things a nice, almost like a dry steam clean, and then just hit it with the dry terry cloth, pull off any of that excess soap and dirt that's just sitting on the surface, and then we will finish it off with the Mighty extractor. Let's go. As if we weren't doing enough work here, I dropped my distilled water on the floor and spilled fucking water all over the floor. Wagner's all warmed up. Let's get to steaming. Now that we got the steaming done, we're gonna jump into the extractor now for the final step. Extract the rest of the soap, rest of the dirt, and wrap these things up. So let's jump into it and start extracting the crap out of these things. Well, that didn't go as planned. Of course, especially when we're going to shoot a video, right? So I usually keep this extractor in my garage, and I haven't used it in probably about a year, maybe a year and a half. And now all of a sudden the pump isn't working and it's just dumping water all over the floor. We're gonna have to bail on the Mighty for right now until I can figure that out and get that fixed. Then we're gonna have to finish it up with the shop vac. Let's go. Alright guys, well, I just finished up the Evo seats. They have been shampooed, steamed, and conditioned. So just finished up with the conditioner on them now. And let's go get a little closer and get a better look. These things came out so mint. Look at this. All the red stitching pops now. It's all been shampooed and steamed. All the leather has been treated and conditioned. So now it's nice and soft. It has a nice sheen to it. All the suede here has been steamed, shampooed. All of this red stitching that you can see for the SE seats, even the Recaro, after the shampoo, everything just looks so good. It's so vibrant. Just look at this. This shit looks insane. The video, like, I'm looking at it through my camera and it really just doesn't even do it justice because it's so bright in person. Even the back sides on these things, super clean. I love the sheen that the Chemical Guys leather conditioner has. It's not too greasy, and it doesn't leave it looking like fake shiny. It just makes it look like new leather. It's awesome. I literally use it on everything. You can use it on plastic too. I put the coating on the back of these seats, so you can even see how clean it made those look too after all the steaming and everything. Man, I'm so jealous. Sucks the extractor broke, but guess you got to improvise sometimes. So shop vac didn't do too bad. Actually came out pretty nice and got rid of all the water. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Gotta let these things dry out overnight a little bit. Thanks for checking it out. I'm gonna be getting these back to Matt tomorrow, and I'll put up the video this weekend. We get a little Evo get together going on. So once he gets them in the car, I'll shoot some more videos so you guys can see how it looks. But if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, share it, and until next time, see you on the next one.